approach, take a play.
Boone County, if I can make it 614 or maybe CY2. I don't know if I can fly. I don't know if I can fly that far. Had catastrophic failure.
25 Tango, Roger. Boone County is at your 11 o'clock and about 4.5 miles. Calling 25 Tango, Boone County is 11 o'clock and 4 miles. Calling 25 Tango, when able, say souls on board and fuel remaining, please.
One, and we've got full tank. We just took off.
Calling 25 Tango, Roger. You'll be able to make Boone County 11 o'clock and 3 miles?
Yeah, we'll make that no problem. Don't think I can make it today. So I'll probably just put it down.
25 Tango, Roger. King Air Striker. 25 Tango, do you need any assistance once you're on the ground at Boone County?
I hope not.
25 Tango, Roger. 25 Tango, the runway there at Boone County, 3,600 feet and 30 feet wide. It's 11 o'clock and 2 miles.
That's executive at my, about 1 o'clock now, about 4 miles.
25 Tango, executive is about 12 to 1 o'clock and 6 miles.
Yeah, I'm not doing that. All right, Boone County it is. I got it. Bye.
25 Tango, Roger. Yeah, it's about a mile off your left there. Still showing the traffic, 2,900 indicated, about a mile north of the field. 5 Tango, traffic passing off your left there, 3,000 indicated northwestbound. Tango, Roger. 11 o'clock now, 1 mile westbound, altitude gate 3,000. Calling 25 Tango, we're going to have a sheriff meet you out there at the airport to make sure you landed okay. The traffic's 11 o'clock and 1 mile westbound, altitude 3,000. Calling 25 Tango, looks like you're under them now, no factor.